Sydnie Lane, and I'm the Outreach and Teen Librarian for Oxford County Library. I'm here to issue a challenge to all of the teens out there. What kind of challenge? The Book Trailer Challenge. Is there a book you really love that you think others should love too? Convince them with the Book Trailer Challenge. Create a book trailer showing how amazing your favorite book is, visually. It can be done as simply as through a slideshow or elaborately through iMovie. When it's done, upload your trailer to YouTube and share the link with me at slane@ocl.net. Please include your name and age in the email. All book trailers will be linked to the Oxford County Library website for others to enjoy. The challenge is open for teens ages 12 to 18 and runs through February 19th. If you need some ideas for what a book trailer looks like, you can stick around after this video for some tips and links. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out to me. Again, it's slane@ocl.net. I'm looking forward to seeing all of your book trailers in the near future, and good luck with the challenge.